In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a windshield wiper kit. Check it out. This is actually 2 sets of wipers in here, and you can get these up to all different types of sizes. And they come in a, just looking over the box here, these are the OEM quality, which is basically original equipment. They're easy to install, smooth, chatter-free, significant noise reduction. Well, we'll see about that. Excellent flexibility and grip. The sizes here, I've got the 3-pack here. And they came in this little box right here, and you kind of see how to install them. And mine basically is this size right here, which is 26 by 20. Oh yeah, make sure you take this little green film off, and you see all you're going to do is that locks down on the wiper there. And these have a nice curvature to them. That looks like a type of like a wind resistant like design right there. Very nice on that. And you see, there's my driver's side. We'll take that off, peel that off, take that off. Let me take them out here and install them on my van, and let's see exactly what these things looks like while they're installed. I think this might be a little too small for my back window, but you know what? I'll keep that as a backup anyway. So right now, I'm just gonna put these 2 on, and let's see what these things sound like when they're on. Okay, you see right here, this is the passenger side, and you see it matches up perfectly on the passenger side right there. So I got no issues on that. So to take the old ones off, you're just gonna press this down. I think there's a little lever in there. I need to mash that lever down, and they just pop straight off. You see how that works just like that? Put that there, so that way, and then take the new wipers here. See how that lifts up like that? Lift that up, and that's gonna slide through there like this, and then come down on, and you hear that click, and then lock that into place. These wipers are installed. Is that not easy? That's some of the easiest things to install, and you can see the design is that wind kind of like design. Let me put the driver's side on, and then we'll turn them on and see what they sound like. Same way, lift that up. These slide in there just like that. You hear that click, and there they go. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's turn the wipers on. Well, those sound smooth. Let's spray it. Oh, let's close the door. I don't get any water on me. Look at that, everybody. That works very good. Look how clean, streak-free. Let's go out here and look at it while it's going. I hear no squeaking or anything. Looks very clean. You know, these look just as good as like a premium set of wiper blades. I'm very impressed with these. These look nice and clean. Now, only time will tell how they'll hold up over time, but you know what? Right now, I'm impressed. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, wiper blade set. See y'all in the next video.